guys, to start this video, I just want to say I just bought this new Rolls-Royce and enjoy it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video is a special one. We're doing the Rolls-Royce Starlight. This is part 2. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I showed you guys how to take out this headliner. Just now getting started and it's almost 9 o'clock. As you can see, it's getting dark outside. I couldn't be more excited to do it. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Couldn't be more excited to do it. Before we hop into anything else, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you're new and drop a like on this video because it's gonna turn out very good. Before we lay hands on the headliner again, let's get this unbox going. Much better. Here's the fiber optic light I got off of Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description where you guys can go check it out. Here's your white fiber optic line, nice and long. I'll have all the specs to these on the screen right now because I cannot remember off the top of my head. Here's the LED light engine. Right here's where the 2 fiber optic lines plug in. And then on this side we have the receiver antenna and the Bluetooth antenna. I can't remember which one is which. For your cigarette lighter, and then you have your on and off button. Also inside you're gonna find an LED controller. Here, of course, is our headliner. I got the black one from my TL Type S. You guys have all seen it if you watch my channel. But we pulled it out in part 1. So make sure you guys go check out part 1 if you want to learn how to pull this thing out. All right, there's one thing we are forgetting tonight, and that is some coffee or like a Monster or something. I think we'll get some coffee first. Right now on the screen, you guys can see exactly where I'm going to be placing these lights. Ran to my mom's place and we got 2 hot glue guns, one for me and one for Nay, and we also stopped by a convenience store to grab some snacks. Rock stars, some ranch. Ranch is sounding good today, I don't know why. Ranch, we got some ranch sunflower seeds, it's sounding good. We got some Pringles and we're ready to get started on this. I got a helper and yeah. And we're gonna use the table to its full advantage. I'm gonna take you guys outside with this thing, test it. Nice. We're 2 hours in, guys. Nay, you're doing a really good job. Hurts my back to bend over so much. I just wanted to pause the video real quick to make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. And to say, Nay's doing a really good job. It is 3:30 in the morning now, and we are done with half. A little bit messy right now, but we're gonna try to clean it up later. It'll clean up by the time I'm done. So we still got halfway to go. This is 3.5 hours. I gotta take Nay home. I'm starting to feel a little bit tired too. That drive wore me out. But I'm drinking this Rockstar. I'm just gonna put my head down, play some music. With some quick magic transitions, let's get this done. 370 holes have been poked. Now there's one reason why I don't recommend this kit I have. Like, they came with like a set of like 20 lines that are just thicker, and I don't know why. I tried reading the instructions, I just don't know why, and you guys can see this is, I'm gonna have a hard time laying this down. It is now 8 o'clock in the morning. I hear the dogs, I hear the birds, all the way going to 8, and I'm really tired right now, so I'm gonna get some sleep, and I'll see you guys later. We were able to sleep on some ideas and think about what we were actually doing here. A couple questions you guys might be having right now is, are you gonna be doing the sunroof? No, I didn't put anything on the sunroof. That wasn't the plan to begin with, but then I got a comment on my last video saying you better do the sunroof, and then I'm looking at it, I'm like, how am I supposed to do the sunroof if it's sliding back and forth? And then when you open the sun, it's kind of, I don't know. It just seemed like everything would get tangled up and in the way, and eventually they would pull out because they get snagged on something. So if you guys can't do the sunroof, I want to see that video. I'm not unfortunately going to be doing that. It would be dope, but I just can't do it, and I already used all my fiber optic lines. Here down here is the main line that's going to go connect to the light. I'm going to eventually probably tape down the whole side so it doesn't get loose inside of the pillar. We're going to be routing it down the middle pillar. I've got the light box sitting right down here right now. It has a very short cable, and that's the farthest I can reach. From my cigarette lighter is inside of here. We're going to go alongside of the airbag right here, and then down alongside of the seat belt, and that's why I'm going to tape it all together so it doesn't wind up with the seat belt, but it's going to go down right here, go down right here, and then I haven't really figured out what I'm going to do with it down here. Here's what I'm talking about with the sunroof. See, if I were to have fiber optic lines inside of the sunroof, then they would have to go up inside of here. So if you guys do know how to do that with the sunroof, please let me know down in the comments. Maybe I'll pull it back down again and get it on the sunroof, because that would be really cool. Headliner's in, guys. Finally. I hired my brother out to help me out, but I wanted to show you guys how I'm routing this real quick. It looks a little bit messy right now. I try to make it as clean as possible, but I'm routing it down the middle panel like I told you guys earlier. You guys can see it's poking out down here. I really don't like the look of this. The problem is I'm restricted to the length of this box right here, so I think I barely will be able to reach. Still gonna be noticeable from the back seat. This is the first test of checking to see if the lights even work. Holes look pretty good. Everything looks pretty clean. You can see them twinkling. It looks so tight. Keep on slipping, brother. Moment of truth, guys. You didn't see nothing. I just got done putting every single accessory back into the car. If you guys haven't seen part one, make sure you guys watch that if you have a TL, because I show you guys how to take apart the whole thing. It's really not that hard though. You can probably figure it out by yourself. But moment of truth. We got the remote right here. Let's see how it looks. Got Starlights in the TL, guys. Wait, let's put it on like a... Ooh, there's a red. But sitting in the car, we can vlog like this. We can do so much stuff. Still gotta go through and clip a couple more. There's some spots that are bugging me, like this little empty spot right here and a little bit in the back because it goes farther back on that side. It's bugging me because I ran out of fiber optics. I don't know how I could put another 150 lights right here and it'd still be able to go back and forth smoothly. So if you guys do know that, down in the comments, please let me know. If there's an easy way to do that, I'm gonna take this out and add lights. So don't drop a dislike because I don't have it on there. It kind of looks off. There's like this big empty spot because of the sunroof, and then the rest is starlighted. Yeah, your car might be faster, but are you twinkling, bro? You got that twinkle effect? Ooh, we got that twinkle effect. Ignore that black spot. This is sick, man. Another reason why I bought this kit is because of the Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth mode allows me to change the color anytime. Pink, blue, dark blue, orange. So that's pretty cool. And then what you also could do, I can also adjust the engine speed of the twinkle effect. You guys can see that right there. I don't know if the camera's picking it all up, but I can hear the motors picking up speed. And then also, I can also put it in sound mode. So now you guys can hear me talking and it's changing colors. So the back seat is definitely where the party is gonna be at. View from the back seat, and then you look up and everything, all the stars are right here and it looks super dope. You can see it reflected on my phone. Man, why are you always calling me?
Okay, sorry, get back to it.
Okay. I wanna know what you guys think about this setup right here. I think this is absolutely, I'm gonna change the color. I keep keeping it on this color. This view is insane. I can't get over this. I've been wanting this for so long, and then like all the problems started getting into my head, but now that I'm looking at it now, I'm actually really happy with this. And red is definitely a favorite because it just goes with the whole theme with the car, and this is probably what I'm gonna be like rocking at shows and stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys learned something, if you guys like the outcome, if you guys think this is dope or nope, I don't care. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also, I want one of you smart people to let me know how to do the sunroof on a TL. I know it's gonna be different with every car, but if you guys do know that, please let me know down in the comments or hit me up on IG. That'll be greatly appreciated. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite color is, what your favorite combo is, something you would have done different, or just let me know how much you guys like this setup because I'm loving it right now. I want to keep filming, but I can't. So, ooh. Alright, with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Are you twinkling, bro?
'Cause I'm a fool for your love.